Okay, right. Let's complete on that. So the one we need to be get take care about in doing performance testing. What is the main objective of performance testing? What is it? Page load time. So while working this particular respective performance testing, we need to be get take care about that particular respective page load time. So while working this particular one, we need to be get take care about and getting the details of how much time it was taking to get load that particular respective page. So related to the performance testing, what are the main testings we are doing? The one you are taking with load testing. Another one, what is it? Stress testing. The one we need to be get take care about load testing and the one you will be taking with stress testing. If I'm taking with load testing, meaning of load testing, doing the testing by increasing number of users. Then we got stress testing, meaning of stress testing, doing the testing by increasing with time. So this is what we need to be get take care about in implementing this particular respective performance testing. For that, we need to be get take care about the main tools. The one we will be taking with load runner and then JMeter. So we need to be get take care about working with that particular JMeter and need to be get complete that particular respective installation. Once we have been done with installation, taking care about in working with JMeter. So while working this particular JMeter, first you are taking care about JMeter. Under that, what you are creating? Under JMeter, test plan. Need to be get take care about test plan. Under the test plan, what is it? Thread group. Need to be get take care about thread group. Under the thread group, what is it? Samplers. Need to be get take care about samplers. Under the samplers, which you will be taking with listeners. So this is what we need to be get take care about in followed that particular respective step while working this particular JMeter. The one you will be taking with JMeter, which you will be considering that one of open source tool here. While working this particular respective JMeter, while working this particular respective JMeter, we need to be get take care about that particular test plan. So what is the use of that particular test plan? To perform any kind of activities in JMeter. If you want to be get take care about perform any kind of activities in JMeter, we need to be get take care about the test plan. Then we are taking with thread group. Use of the thread group to create a number of virtual users. If you want to be get take care about in creating that particular respective a number of virtual users that you will take care about in using the thread group. And then we got samplers. Use of the samplers to create different type of request for server to get take care about in creating with different type of request for server that it will take care about thread group here. Sorry, sampler. And then finally it will take care about listener. Use of the listeners to provide different type of predefined reports related to performance testing. So need to be get take care about following with that particular respective step. So in that, we need to be get take care about in doing that particular respective performance testing, which we will be considering that taking with whole application, and then need to be get take care about considering that particular page, and then we got considering that multiple pages, or which we will be mentioning that particular flow. We need to be get take care about doing the performance testing for these particular respective steps. So in that, we have to take care about considering that particular whole application. So whenever we are taking with this particular respective whole application, we need to be get take care about in utilizing base URL. We need to be get take care about in using base URL. In the same way, we need to be get take care about that particular respective page. What we will be using? Considering the absolute URL. Then you will take care about multiple pages or considering the particular flow. What you will be doing? Taking care about recording here. So previously we got understand that in taking care about that base URL and taking care about absolute URL. And now we need to be get take care about utilizing this particular respective recording option. I mean that particular respective multiple pages directly we can't provide that particular respective multiple pages here. So further, we need to be get take care about further, we need to be get take care about in using this particular respective recording option. So that particular recording activity directly we are not taking care about with the help of JMeter. Further, we need to be get take care about in utilizing. Further, we need to be get take care about in utilizing that particular respective plugin, considering that taking with BlazeMeter. We can consider JMeter is totally different, and this particular Blaze meter is totally different, no way of connectivity. According to our requirement, we need to be get take care about in utilizing that particular respective options here. So in that, we need to be get take care about what exactly that particular steps need to be get automated. I mean, need to take care about the performance testing, that particular steps we need to take care about in doing the recording activity. further, further, we need to be get take care about in open that particular blaze meter. First, you have to take care about in doing sign up activity. You need to be get take care about in performing that particular sign up activity. After that, you need to take care about in doing the sign in activity. Once you done that particular sign in, you will take care about use option. What is option? Which I will be taking with start recording. So we'll take care about in using with the option that I will take care about start recording, and then you have to take care about in performing all the steps. What are all the steps you want to take care about? Doing performance testing, you have to take care about in recording all the steps here. Whatever the steps are used to be get performed, you will be able to see that particular steps will be getting recorded. So now I'm just taking care about an open application doing with that particular login and taking with that particular logout and then close application. We need to take care about in recording that particular respective step and then we'll take care about in stop that particular recording. What exactly the flow or what are all that particular steps you want to take care about as part of performance testing. You need to be get take care about in recording all that particular respective steps here. So once you're done with record of that particular step, you're taking care about the save activity. You need to be get take care about in doing that particular respective save activity. Okay. Now that will be taking with save and then need to be get take care about in using the extension dot jmx. We need to take care about using the extension that will be taking with jmx. That will be taking with jmeter and then we need to be get take care about in doing that will be taking with we need to be get take care about in save that particular respective file as simple while working that particular jmeter what are all that particular flow need to be tested that we got take care about in recording and I'm just generating one of the file of JMX here. So now once we got this particular respective file, once we got this particular respective file, need to be get take care about that particular file of .jmx. We need to be get take care about that particular file of JMX. This file, this particular file, we need to provide, where we need to provide in bin folder. Your Apache JMeter, what exactly your Apache JMeter is there. In that particular JMeter, you will be getting with bin folder. In that particular bin folder, in that particular bin folder, you need to take care about in providing that particular file. Once you provide that particular file in the bin folder, what is the next step written? Access .jmx file in JMeter. We created, we generated that particular JMX file. That particular JMX file we need to be get take care about. We need to be get take care about in accessing this particular respective JMeter. So further, we need to be get take care about in having that particular JMX file. What is that particular file? 39 batch. We need to be get take care about the JMX file considering that particular 39 batch and need to be get take care about open. So by that, what are all that particular steps you got recorded? What are all that particular steps we got recorded? So we got taking that particular base URL, whatever the steps we done, that particular respective recording, it will be taking care about that particular step. Now you can see that which need to be get take care about the base URL from that. What is the page it was using? Login.php. Okay. So and then if I'm taking with this particular one, so if I'm just taking care about this particular page, another page, what is this particular page? Index.php. Considering that the same application only, send that The one page it has been taking care about login.php and another page which it will take care about index.php. So according to our application, when we done with that particular application, the first page, what is the page we got? Login.php. After that, after that, once I have been done with that particular respective login, once I have been done with respective login, what is the option we got? Index.php, which need to be get taking care about that particular index.php. These are the two pages we got. When we done with the recording, it has been taking care about that particular two pages. So now we got that particular two pages. Considering that we have to take care about in doing that particular performance testing in accessing this particular flow. Now we got that recorded file need to be get take care about in providing that particular respective thread group. Meaning of the thread group? Thread group. A number of virtual users need to be get take care about a number of virtual users. Sampler we doesn't require because in a place of sampler we provided the recorded file. In a place of sampler we got that particular recorded file here. Okay. So and then need to be get take care about. We need to be get taking care about. Now we need to be get provide that particular listener. If I'm taking with listeners our regular thing, the one report it will be taking preview, view results tree which need to be get take care about the tree view here, and after that we can try with one more report. What is it? Taking with summary report, and then we can try with one more report. What is it? View results in table. So these three are the regular predefined reports which you will be using as part of performance testing. It's not like mandatory that need to be go with the same reports, but in general we need to be get consider these are the three reports need to be done. So now we got that particular recorded file, we got provided that particular respective thread group need to be get take care about that particular execution. So while taking with that particular execution, we need to be get take care about run button. So now we need to take care about doing that particular respective execution. It has been providing that particular respective results. So if we just go with that particular two pages, you can see that the one is login.php, another one index.php. So we can take care about in having with that particular flow multiple pages here. In this way, we can take care about in this way, we can take care about in having all that particular respective reports, and we can take care about in having that particular execution. This is how we can take care about in providing that particular performance testing, considering that the whole application. Another one, particular page. Another one, considering that multiple pages. The three main things here. Apart from that, we can do lot of other activities or that, but we are not taking into in that particular detail. So our main target taking care about functional testing. Your job role also taking care about functional tester only. But as part of interviews, you need to be get take care about in looking into all these particular concepts here. So just you have to take care about as part of that particular interview, you need to be get comfortable taking care about all these particular concepts here. So this is what we need to be get mentioned as part of our training program. So the one we need to be get take care about mentioning the functional testing, functionality testing, and then taking care about considering the API testing, and then need to be get mentioning about database testing. And finally, we mentioned that taking with performance testing. Any kind of testing, any kind of testing, your concepts will be the same. Whatever the testing you are working, you can go with manual testing and we can go with automation testing according to that particular requirement. So that functional testing, what you done, manual and automation, API testing, you got manual automation, database testing, you got manual, but automation, not like into in-depth knowledge, you got understand how we can write that particular Java program to get connect with Selenium with database. And performance testing in general, it will not go with manual. I mean, manually, it's not like we can get that many users and we can test it. Definitely, we need to be get take care about in utilizing all that particular respective tools here according to that particular project requirement. You need to be get take care about in having all that particular tools here. So in the market, lot of tools are there related to functional testing, API testing, or database or performance. Related to the testing, a number of tools are available in the market. Once you got in a job in the real time, which tool you will work, it's totally depends on that project, depends on that client. There is no guarantee that you learn with Selenium. Once you got in a job, you will work only on Selenium. It's not like that. There may be a chances they may expect to get work with any other tools also, but any of that particular tools, the automation, similar concepts will be there. So need to be get take care about what exactly that particular project expectations. According to that, you need to be get coming up with in working with that particular tool. But once he got in a job, once he got in a job, maximum there is a chance he will work with manual testing only. A very rare cases you will get an option directly to place in automation testing. Even though your interview done on automation, your interview done on automation only, but not like mandatory that you will be getting the project of automation testing. Once you got join into that company, once you place into the project, you will have a concept of that particular KT. Meaning of KT? What is it? Knowledge transfer. At the time of taking care about that particular KT concept, you guys will get in a clear picture. What exactly the project need to work? Is that related to manual or related to automation or any other activities need to be done that we need to be get take care about in having that particular respective testings need to be done. So until unless your KT part is not done, you can't get with clear picture. So because of that, never worried about either we can survive in real time or not. 100% you can survive in the real time. There is no issues at all. The only thing you have to take care about is how you can clear with the interview, how you can get with the job. That is what your target. That is what you need to look into that. Never worried about how we can sustain in the real time or not. Because once we got job working in the real time, in this current market, in this particular current market, it will be more easy, more comfortable. Let's go with the same automation testing only. Sometimes you may feel that working automation testing little bit difficult. But if I'm taking with this particular real time activity, when you are working in the real time, this automation, how easy we can take care about that particular automation, how we can take care about working in the real time. Just an example I'll be giving. See that in the real time, how we can working with automation testing. As an example, I'm taking with the same place meter tool, the same place meter tool. I'm not talking performance. I'm not saying that performance. I'm giving the information how easy you can survive in the real time, how easy we can make our real time job role. See that how the real time people will take their hard work, how much hard work they will be doing. See that. We got record option. As an example, I want to automate the one test case, your favorite test case. Uh, Log in, log out. I'll go with your favorite test case, how to automate in the real time. I'm just click on start recording and then I'll open application and then doing login. Okay. I'm providing that particular respective username, password, click on login. All the steps are recording. Taking the logout and then taking close. Okay, done. Now I'll take care about stop that particular recording. Now I'll just take care about stop the recording. Done. Now we can say that we done with that particular recording meter. As we done recording, right? That recording completed. Now what I will do is, okay, see that we got in a save option. Previously, what is the extension we provided? .jmx. Now we record Selenium. For that, what I will do, I'll take the save option. What is the option we got? Selenium. Till now, whenever you're taking the automation testing, last 1 month or 1.5 month, as part of Selenium automation, you have been used all the Selenium methods and then Java syntax, test engine annotations, these three combinations, Selenium methods, Java syntax, test engine annotations. These three syntax has been done. I'm just take care about same thing. What is option we got? Selenium. Under Selenium, I'm using the option Selenium methods, Java syntax, test engine annotations. Okay. What is option? Save. Okay. So we'll take care about. Yeah. What happened? Login is done, right? Yeah. Just wait. Let me record once again. Just let me record once again. I'll just take care about that particular login, log out, close the browser, open that, stop recording, save Selenium WebDriver. Okay. Now we can see that that particular file has been saved. Now real time people, how much hard work they will do. Recording done? Done or not? Lot of hard work done. Ah. File generated? Okay. Now real time people, they will go with in open with Eclipse. Eclipse you are already knowing. Uh, Knowing or not? Use of the Eclipse, writing the programs and executing the programs. Now, what that real time people will do, they'll take care about in open that particular Eclipse. Once they got to open the Eclipse, in the Eclipse, they will open the file what we recorded, like Selenium with a Java test engine. Now, for now, I'm not opening the Eclipse, taking with edit place. You can type open in the Eclipse, then you will be getting what you will get all the code what you are trying for last 1 month here. That is what you are trying, right? Last from 1 month, what you are trying to write the code, all the code will be there, including that particular test engine annotations, taking the test engine annotations, open the application, everything will be there. All the steps will be there. It will take care about in giving with all the code here. This much of hard work need to be done in the real time here. Uh-huh. Selenium easy or difficult? Very, very easy, yeah? Okay. This is, we got an option of Selenium with Java here. The syntax has been provided Selenium with Java. But your test lead asking that. Assume that your test lead has been asking that. Team members, you done with Selenium with Java, but my requirement, not like Selenium with Java. I required you guys need to work with Selenium with Python. Assume that your test lead is asking that Selenium with Python. Then you guys, okay, test lead, you record Selenium with Python. 1 minute. Do all the recording. Once you've done all the recording, go to that Blaze meter and then use the option. What is the option? Save. And then use the option of Selenium. Now what we record? Selenium with Python. Python option will be there. Selenium with now we can see. We got Selenium with Python syntax. In a place of test ng, you will get unit test. Select that particular option and click on save. The file will generate. So now you can open not like Eclipse. Eclipse is for Java. Similar to that, for Python also, you will get that respective editor. You need to be get open in that particular editor. Then you will be able to see all that particular respective Selenium code here. So Selenium part is same. In a place of Java, you will get Python syntax. All the Selenium code will be the same. In a place of Selenium, you will be getting with Python syntax here. Now, assume that your test lead, no team members, Python is not required, required in a Ruby language. Assume that your team lead asking Ruby language. Okay, team lead, Ruby. 1 minute. Again, go with all the recording part. Taking with save. Now what do you record? Selenium with Ruby. Taking with Selenium with Ruby. Click on save. Not save. Ah, we need to take care about that particular recording. We need to do the recording once again. Once we do the recording, I can select the option of Ruby, click on save. That particular file will open. Open in the Ruby editor, make the required modifications. So in that way, we can handle. This is just a sample example. In this way, in Google, you can type like Selenium recording tools. We can search like Selenium recording tools. A number of tools are available in the market taking care about that particular record and playback activity. By that, we can record that particular step, we can generate with the code. So because of that, from the day one, I'm clearly saying that surviving in the real time, not at all in a problem. Very easily you can survive in the real time. The only target should be interviews. You need to be get take care about crack the interviews. All your preparations need to be done. How you can take care about to get clear that particular interview. So now, because of you got an option of Selenium with Python, Selenium with Ruby. If your team lead asking that need to work with Selenium with Python for your team lead, don't say that team lead only 1 minute. Don't say that 1 minute it will work. You can clearly explain them your knowledge or your experience working with Selenium with Java. In case, according to that project, it is mandatory that need to be get work with that particular Selenium with Python or Selenium with C Sharp or Selenium with Ruby. They will take care about in giving with the proper training program, or they will give you some enough time to take care about that particular concepts, and after that you need to be get start working with the tool. Don't decide like Suresh are given recording option, will say that okay. In case if you mention okay, uh-huh, you have to celebrate the festival. So based on your comfortable. If you want to celebrate the festival, you can tell them that you are okay with Selenium with Python here or any other. So take care about what exactly that particular project expectations. According to that, you need to be get take care about agree. So an example, one blaze meter. You got all the code. No, sir, we need to install plugin. We have to open. We have to do the recording. Again, we need to save. We need to open. This much of hard work we have to do. We not possible. Let's go with any other options here. Any other options? The best example. You can utilize your Chat GPT. You can take care about utilizing your Chat GPT. So now in this current market, you can try with your Chat GPT also. Now assume that you want to write in a Selenium program. So while working with Chat GPT, your Google algorithm, the way of the design, Chat GPT algorithm, the way of they have been designed it has been totally different. While working that particular Chat GPT, mainly the way of sentence, how we are typing, that it will take care about more importance, but still not like it will be giving with the very accurate information, but at least it can get some basic idea how we can take care about that particular activity. So for testing also, you can take care about utilizing the Chat GPT. But don't be confused like in the market or in the YouTube. A lot of people will say that Chat GPT or AI will replace all the IT people. IT people is not required. It's not at all in a possible. Chat GPT is not like in a replacement. always think about it is not like a replacement for the human beings. It is a just in a suggestions which it can give. Now assume that you're working as automation tester. The chart GPT, it cannot automatically open the Eclipse and write the program and execute and take the result. It will not do all the things here. In case you want to write one program, how you can write that program, that kind of suggestions it can help you that, but not like totally replacing the testers or replacing the developers or replacing the IT people. So because of that, don't be worried and don't think like AI will replace all the things here. There is no possibility at all. As an example, to make your regular work more easy, to increase your productivity, to work in a very fast manner, you can take care about in utilizing that particular AI tools here. So as an example, you can mention that login and log out program by using Selenium with Java. Second, try like login and log out program by using Selenium with Java. Then it will take care about in giving with all your Selenium program what you have tried it. All the program it will give. So all the program it will take care about in writing all that particular program, so including taking with that particular title and everything. It has been given system.set property, that is like previous version, but at least you got an option of taking care about how that particular code need to be written. I'll get some basic idea. Along with that, by taking the help of that, we can take care about in using. As an example, considering that how to perform mouse over by using Selenium with Java. Then it will take care about related to that mouse over, all the program will do. So these kind of activities, these kind of flexibilities you are having when you're working with this particular real time. You can just see that taking care about that particular syntax for mouse over, method name, mode element, class name, taking with actions and taking with the package name interactions dot actions here. So in this way, to get generate any of the code, Google will be there along with that particular Google. As nowadays we got this particular chart GPT, it is not like replacing the tester. There is no possibility of replacing the tester or developer by using the AI tools. All the AI tools has been helping you to make your work is more comfortable and more easy. This is how, while working automation, while taking care about that particular automation, we can utilize lot of recording tools or we can take care about utilizing this particular respective chart GPT. So nowadays, to perform any kind of activity, not like your job role, even your job search also, we can take care about in utilizing all that particular respective chart GPT. At least it will guide you the basic information. So now you may get in a doubt. Sir, all these things are related to automation testing, all that particular tools are there available in Google. How about taking with manual testing? How we can make our manual testing more easy? Manual already easy, but still how we can make more easy? We can try Chat GPT. For that manual testing also, For that particular manual testing, we can take care about in utilizing this particular chart GPT. As an example for manual testing, what is the project you done? Adapting. The one you got take care about adapting and the one you got take care about that online banking. So how we can take care about in doing the manual testing for that project as part of manual testing. What are the activities we done? Requirements understanding, test scenarios, test cases, execution, bug reporting. ChatGPT, it can give the suggestion, but it can't take care about doing all the testing. As an example, you want to write, you have to take care about test cases for this particular application. Further, we can try ChatGPT, mentioning that, taking care about, in mentioning that, saying that, provide list of test cases for test cases. Second, utilize that particular chart GPT, mentioning that provide list of test cases by giving that URL. It can take care about in giving with that particular respective test cases here related to that particular adapting application. What are all that particular test cases are there? It can give all that particular test cases and they can take care about in modifying according to your requirement. So according to your requirement, I can take care about utilizing that particular test cases. I mean, it is giving the clear picture what kind of test case you can write. So you can take care about that. Just need to modify that particular respective steps here. Or else you have to take care about bug reporting. You can try with list of bugs in the application of I can see. It will try, it will try to get that particular list of bugs also. So directly it is not giving because it can't do the test execution. That is what you're understanding. AI tools cannot replace the human beings. That execution we have to do. But how we can utilize this adapting application related to hotel domain? Now we can ask this particular chart GPT in saying that what are all common bugs bugs for hotel domain application. Let me try. So we can try with the common bugs related to that particular hotel domain application. Then it will be giving list of the bugs, expectations, like what kind of bugs we can expect. It will be giving that particular list of the bugs. So we can try that particular bugs can be there in that particular application. So in this way, we can utilize this particular chart GPT for manual testing or taking with automation testing. Even for manual testing also, nowadays, any test cases you want to write, you can try and Google like what are the common test cases for login, logout, what exactly the functionality you want to test it. We can try each and everything. So 95% of the time, 95% of the time, everything available in Google, or you can utilize Chat GPT, or you can take care about other respective tools also. Working in the real time, working in the real time, it will be very easy when you're working by taking all these particular tools. So because of that, never worry about either we can survive in the real time or not. Very easily, you can take care about to survive in the real time. Just need to take care about in considering that how you can take care about in cracking that particular interview. So that part you need to be get look into that. So always take care about, think about how you can take care about attend that particular interviews and how you can clear that particular interviews. So to get clear that particular interviews, or if you want to get attend the interview, first we have to take care about your resume activities. So how we need to take care about your resume part? First, I'll give information related to fresher resume, and then I'll give the information related to experience. Let's go with one by one how we can go with fresher or how we can go with experience resumes. What are the activities we need to be get take care about related to the fresher resume or related to experience resume? See that the one who want to take care about job search activity as a fresher, the one who want to take care about job search activity as a fresher level, those people can take care about that particular people can take care about referring with some templates. I'll take care about in giving with some particular templates in that particular respective Google Classroom. In your Google Classroom, I'm just taking care about some of the templates related to fresher. Related to that particular fresher, I'm just taking care about some templates, not like mandatory that, not like mandatory that need to go with the same templates. You can go with any of the template. If you are having your own template, that will be the well and good. Not like mandatory that you need to go with the same template what I have been given. You can try your own templates also, but it can be any template. It can be any template. You have to take care about your content need to be done in the proper way. Template can be anything that doesn't make any problem, but make sure that all testing related information need to be available in the resume. As simple by seeing the resume, by seeing the resume, the interviewer need to be get understand that what exactly the practical knowledge you got related to your testing activities. The first thing, the details will be common activity, career objective. Try to provide your own, provide your career objective. It's not like as it is what will be available in the resume. So just you can try in Google. In Google, you can try like testing career objective, tester career objective. So try to see that in providing in the different way, not like regular things here. Educational details, that will be the regular activity. And as a fresher level, as a fresher level, you can mention that you done with the training in the Naresh IT, doesn't make any problem. As a fresher, not experience, not experience. As a fresher level, the one who are trying as a fresher level, you can mention that you done with the training in the Naresh IT and take care about what are the things you learn as part of manual and as part of automation. I given some points, not like exactly you have to take care about the same points only. You can make all the modifications according to your comfortable. What are the things you can get explained in the interview. In the interview, what are the things you can get explained? You can make all the modifications. These points are indirectly your interview questions. The summary points what you are giving in the resume, those points has been indirectly your interview questions here. Whatever the points you have been providing, you guys need to have very clear explanation in the interview. Then only you need to mention that particular respective points. Take care about that particular things. After that, all your technical skills related to the testing or any other IT skills related to technical, any other things you got. If you are comfortable in explain in the interview, you can take care about in providing all the technical skills. After that, your project details, the one related to manual and related to automation. As we got that particular three projects, one is adapting, another one HRMS, another one online banking. According to your comfortable, you can take care about in mentioning any two projects, not like mandatory of three projects here. So according to your comfortable, you can take care about in providing. You can take care about in providing that particular respective two projects. In that particular project, what are the activities you done, you can mention. So these templates are given in the Google Classroom. You can download from there, make all the required modification, or your own templates are there. Provide the information related to all the testing. Once you finalize, once you've done all the modifications, once you have been done with all the modifications, get it reviewed with me. I'll take care about in doing the review of that particular resumes. In case of any modifications need to be done, I'll take care about in suggesting what are the modifications need to be done. Then I need to modify all the things here. Once I have been approved, once I have been approved, you need to take care about uploading in the required job portals. That is what the fresher level you can do. As a fresher level, you can download the template or you can have your own template, make all the required testing information and then get it reviewed. And once I have been approved, then you can take care about uploading in the job portals. In the same way, in case of experience level, the one who want to try, the one who want to try as a experience level, it's not like directly I'm uploading experience sample resume in the Google Classroom. Fresher level, that is little bit okay, but the experience level, I'm not uploading any of the sample resumes in the Google Classroom. What need to be done? The one who want to get or who required experience resumes, those guys first you need to take care about drop an email to me or you can make an so you can take care about email or you can make with the discussion, you can make a call to me and then you have to provide all the details of your educational details. I need to understand what is your educational details considering that SSC and taking with plus two and then taking care about all your BTech or degree, whatever it can be, whatever all that particular degrees are there. 11 question, 11:30. Hmm, hmm. Bye. right? Say that. Which you will be taking, you need to provide all your educational details here along with that particular educational details, along with all that particular respective education details, you need to be get take care about in giving with the gap information. What is the gap we got? In that particular gap, in case of any of the trainings hidden, or in case of any of IT or non-IT jobs hidden, or you're totally free, whatever it can be. What are the things you have been done in that particular gap? Like any trainings, IT, non-IT trainings, or any IT job, non-IT job, or you're totally free, whatever it can be. Whatever the gap is there, you can provide all that information. And then you can provide me in which location you will be staying and doing the job search. Is that like you'll stay in Hyderabad location or doing the job search, or you will be moving to Bangalore and taking the job search? So in which location you will stay and doing the job search? So all these information I need to understand. So I need to understand all these information. So because of that, you guys need to be get take care about providing me all these information. Once you provide, based on these details, I can come up with a suggestion. Either I can go with 2 years experience or 3 years of experience, or I need to try with 4 years. How many years of experience need to be done? I'll take care about in providing that particular part based on the information you have been providing. I'll come up with how many years of experience you need to try. As an example, it has been considered in the discussion, it has been decided like 3 years experience. Once I confirm need to try with 3 years experience or 2 years experience, then I will take care about preparing with that particular resume. I'll take care about in preparing with that particular resume. So in this way, I can come up with in preparing the resume. First, I'll prepare. I'll take care about in giving with all the basic information. Then you guys need to make all the required modifications according to your comfortable. I'll give some points, but you have to attend the interview according to your comfortable. You can take care about all that particular points here. And then you need to take care about work experience. That work experience cannot be provided from Naresh IT. You can't keep Naresh IT experience also. That you have to take from the list of consultancies. You have to take care about that. That information you will provide. Educational details, because of experience, you have to take only highest degree, not like from SSC. In the resume, you need to take care about only your highest degree, need to provide it, and all your technical details. And after that, the project details, who will be the client, what will be that project. That information I'll be providing. The way you learn with Adactin application or HRMS application, the similar things you will be applying in this project. Any project, any project, your testing activities will be the same. I will be giving with who will be the client, what will be the project. Based on that, you need to gain some information, and you will go with our regular explanation what exactly you have been done for Adactin applications and HRMS application. I will not be providing any direct application URL because these are still working, not like into the live environment. You can't access outside of the company network. So because of that, how you done with our previous projects. Based on that, you will get in a comfortable in explaining these projects. In this way, I will be preparing with the resume and then I'll be sending it. Then you guys need to make all the required modifications and I need to get it review and get it approved. Once I have been approved, then you need to start uploading in all that particular job portals here. That particular job portal, the minimum job portal you need to upload. The minimum job portals you need to upload. The regular things, as you're already knowing it. The one you will be taking with the Naukari job portal and then taking care about considering that monster and then taking care about considering that particular time jobs and then taking care about simply hired and taking care about that particular in need. These five minimum job portal. These five are minimum job portals you need to upload. Apart from these five, your LinkedIn, Shine.com, lot of things are there. N number of job portals are there. According to your comfortable, you can take care about in uploading in any of the job portals. But I record minimum these job portals you need to be get uploaded. Apart from that, you can take care about any of the job portal. Now you will take care about your resume preparation and you will start uploading in all your job portals. Once you upload your activity done, after that what you will do? Uh-huh. After uploading the resumes in the job portals, next what you will do? You will prepare. We'll open the Eclipse and then we'll practice Java program. Say that in this current market, don't expect like uploaded the resume, your work is completed, you will get the calls. In that simple way, you can't get with the calls. You have to take care about in performing different type of activities need to be done. The first activity you need to do. What is the first activity? You need to take care about the regular updation. That particular resume updation need to be done on daily basis. First activity, as you registered in all the job portals, you have to take care about in login into each and every job portal. You have to take care about login into each and every particular job portal and then you will take care about in having updating the resume on daily basis. That particular daily basis, it will suggest that minimum 2 times per day. Minimum 2 times per day. That particular 2 times also the best timings. Early morning, huh? Morning timings? 7 a.m. 5 o'clock. Okay, evening? No, evening. 4 o'clock. Uh, the best timings you can try in the morning 9 to 10, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Best timings. In the evening 7 to 8. In the evening 7 to 8. That will be in general best timings. It will be suggestible. The reason of the timings is that is what regular office timings here. If we take any consultancies, any of the HRs or recruiters, they may start their day in between of 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Because of that, if you update your resume at that particular timings, there is a chance, not like mandatory that Suresh told that he will get calls and he will get the calls. You need to perform lot of activity, but that is what the one best option you need to do. This activity you will do on regular basis and see that how you are getting the calls. If you are getting the calls, okay. Not getting the calls, what you will do? Not getting the calls, not double okay, right? Not getting the calls, what you have to do? You need to take care about, apply jobs in all portals. That means you have to take care about in taking that job search. For example, taking with Selenium jobs, and they will take care about different job portals. You need to be get take care about in doing the filter. Go with the filter of date. It can go with the filter of date. You will be getting with that particular recent postings. What exactly the recent postings will be there. That you will be taking with that particular one. You need to be get take care about all that particular reason post need to be done. So that particular one you can take care about. Once you open, there you will get an option. What is option? Login to apply or taking with register to apply. Need to be get take care about login to apply or need to take care about register to apply. So in this way, each and every job opening, each and every job post, you need to open that, you need to apply that. That is the one regular activity you have to do. How you guys has been spend your time for the technical practice in the same way for doing the job search also you have to spend some time, a minimum of 1 or 2 hours on daily basis, then only you can expect with the calls. Don't assume just we prepared the resume, upload it, and they will get the calls. In this current market, you guys need to be put your efforts at least 2 hours, 1 hour per day. Then you can expect with the calls. What are the things need to be done? Resume updation. After that, applying the jobs in the job portal. So need to be get take care about applying the jobs in the job portal. So that applying, just not like you are trying, just not like you are trying by taking with by typing that Selenium job. You need to try. You need to try with the different keywords here. As an example, you will try with mentioning the Selenium job, and then you will be taking with searching for Selenium automation jobs. You need to try different keywords here. After that, Selenium mentioning the WebDriver jobs, and then considering the jobs on Selenium automation, jobs on Selenium automation, and then taking with jobs on Selenium. After that, taking with, sorry, jobs on software testing, and then taking with jobs on manual testing, and then taking care about software testing jobs, and then QA jobs, and then software testing jobs in by taking that particular respective locations. So in this way, you need to try in taking different keywords. This is just an example. So in this way, you have to try with different keywords because we doesn't know what are the job portals they have been provided that particular respective keywords. Because of that, you need to be get take care about in searching with different keywords, and you need to apply all the jobs here. Just see that one or two job roles are matching. Not like all the job role need to match it. By looking into the job description, the two or three job roles are matching, you can apply to that particular respective job. So regular resume updation and then regular applying the jobs here. See that either you are getting the calls or not. If you are getting the calls, okay, not getting the calls. Uh, uh, Not getting the calls. You've done all these things, but still not getting the calls. Then what you have to do? You need to take care about keywords. You have to take care about keywords in portal and resume. You have to take care about keywords in portal and resume. What is the meaning of that? The meaning of that, whenever you got to open that particular job portal or job opening, it can come down. You will be able to see some key skills here. Able to see here key skills. So each and every job opening that they will give some key skills. These key skills, including capital letter, small letter, spaces, as it is, copy it and very well paste. Resume, na? Uh-huh. Open job portals. In the job portal, I will have an option of key skills here. There you need to take care about in providing these things, what you are knowing it. So whatever the things you are knowing it, you need to take that because how recruiters will take care. They will search for resumes with these key skills only. If these key skills are there in your job portal, there is a chance your resume will get shortlisted. Not only job portals, in the resume also need to be get provided. But how we can take care about providing in the resume? In the resume, not like giving with list of all the things, little bit you need to make some professional. For example, here I will be mentioning that taking with manual testing. I'll be giving some main terminologies, taking with smoke testing and taking with sanity testing and taking with functional testing. Some main terminologies I'll provide. So by that, whenever you are taking with, whenever you are considering that particular job portals, taking care about that particular job portals has been trying with that particular keywords, there is a chance you will be getting with the calls on that. This is what your regular activity. You tried on that. You tried with resume updation, applying the portals, giving the keywords. If you are getting the calls, okay. Not getting the calls, what you will do? Uh-huh. Uh, you done with all these things, still you are not getting the calls. Then what you need to do? Now you need to be get take care about trying with the Google, considering that search like startup companies in respective location. You need to search startup companies in that particular location. You will get list of all the startup companies in the Google. You need to open each and every company portal and then in the company portals, you will get an option of job openings. Maximum of IT companies in their website, they will mention list of the job openings. See that any job opening is matching. Apply. Not matching, you'll have an email ID in the same. Take that email ID and send your updated resume to those people by giving the proper information in this email, saying that you're related to tester. These are the key skills. By giving some highlights, send the resume. You can expect with the calls. You're done with all these things, but still not getting the calls. What you will do? Uh, then you need to be get take care about same in the Google. You need to be get try for. You need to be get try for taking with level 4 and level 5 companies. Level 4 and level 5 companies. List of IT companies you will get. Again, you need to take care about applying it. You need to open the job portals and you need to apply. Still not getting the calls. Then, uh, 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 not getting the calls. Try for considering that testing companies. There are a lot of testing companies are there. Only testing. Lot of IT companies are there. You have to take care about searching for testing companies and you need to apply. In this way, you need to try with all the things here. You tried all these things, but still not getting the calls. Uh, uh, then you done all these things, still not getting the calls. What need to be done? Then you need to be get take care about. Now you need to take care about the help of all your social networks here. So taking care about your LinkedIn or taking with Facebook, whatever it can be. You can try with all that particular networks. And then you have to take care about it. Still not done. Telegram, all those things, social networks only. Uh, uh, Still not done. Finally, you need to try for taking with freelancer. There are freelancer testing jobs will be there. Freelancer testing jobs will be there. You need to try with all that particular freelancer testing jobs. You need to take care about that. You need to try it. So you tried with all these things. Uh-huh. Still not getting the calls. Then, which resume you are doing the job search? Which resume you are doing the job search? With that resume, reach out, Suresh sir. Reach out the Suresh sir, and then I'll take care about making other modifications in that particular resumes for getting with the calls here. So that is how you need to be get take care about in doing that particular job search activities and taking care about doing it. So this is what all your information relate to your training program and related to your resumes and all the things. And finally, my email ID. Knowing it, make a note of the email ID. Software trainer dot Suresh @gmail.com. Don't drop any email from today itself. Don't drop any email from today itself saying that Suresh sir's prepared 4 years resume, Suresh sir prepared 3 years resume. If you send also, I will not reply. Take some time doing all the preparations. Complete all your preparations of manual automation, everything. And once you are ready to get attend with the interview, then you can start sending it. So for resume preparations, resume reviews or anything, you can drop an email, but don't drop an email. JDK not working, Eclipse not working. I'll get that emails also. Lot of crazy emails I will get. Lot of crazy emails I'll be having it. So, don't send all those kind of emails here. If I send also, I will not be replying those emails and don't expect immediate replies from me. Don't expect immediate replies from me because I'll have a lot of things will be there. Definitely, I'll be taking some time to reply the email, but 100% I will reply each and every student email. I will be replying it. So, but you can expect some delay in replying the emails here. Apart from that, number 958 146 146 1 2 3 4. It will work. Not required to test it. It will work. 958-146-123-4. So that will be the number. 24 hours customer care will be there. Okay. Uh, because lot of calls I used to get, but even though I'm getting the calls, in case of in the sessions or in case of in my company meetings, I will not be able to pick the calls. Not required to test, that is working. Not required to test, that is working. Uh, so now, if I'm in the calls, I mean, that sessions or in the meetings, I will not be able to pick the call. But 100%, once I become in a free, I'll make in a call back. For all the numbers, once I become in a free, I'll make in a call back to all the numbers here. So that I got an email, I got number. So those numbers, it will be the same. It will never change it. In case of officially, you have to meet me at the resume review or your career guidance, whatever it can be. Monday to Friday, not Saturday. Monday to Friday. For now, you can approach me in the timings of 12:30 p.m. Monday to Friday, 12:30 p.m. I will be available, not in the same building. We got one more building of Naresh IT. We'll call us Naresh IT Nakar building. We'll call us Naresh IT Nakar building. In that building, I will be available in the timings of 12:30. Don't come by 1 p.m. I'll not be there. So anything related to that particular career guidance or resume approvals. For resume approvals, better you can meet me with your hard copy. By that, it will be easy to suggest all the things in the very proper way. It will be easy to get suggest in the very proper way because in the email, if you want to type all the things, I may not give all the things in the very proper way. 11:30. వచ్చేస్తాం అయిపోయింది వస్తా 11:30 కల్లా వచ్చేస్తాం Right. See that. So I need to be get. So that particular building I'll be available. Most of the time I need to change the buildings. But anyway, I will be available. Any kind of information related to career, you can approach me any of the time. From my side, what is the best I can do? I can give all the information here. Okay. So I got all the details here and related to course completion certificate. Course completion certificate from the next week, you can approach in the main office by giving your ID card, your payment receipt, your batch timings, and your trainer name. Remembered? Trainer name, or you'll forget. So that trainer name also need to be provided. By that, they will look into the database, they will prepare. Online students, you need to approach your respective online admin related to course completion certification. Resumes part, I'll take care about it. According to your comfortable, you can approach me. So by this, I'm completing my sessions. My technical sessions will be done, but availability, I will be there. Your Google Classroom, your application access, online lab, offline lab. So all that particular access, everything will be there. It's not like immediately it will be stopped. It all the access will be there. So take care about all the things in the very proper way. And finally, please don't waste with the time with unnecessary activities. Utilize with the time in the very proper way. Utilize the time in the very proper way. I can understand the people are saying that IT is down, IT market is not there, or you will not get in a job. Don't be worried about all the things here. Put your maximum efforts, 100% you will get in a job, but it may get in a delay, but definitely will get. but you have to put your efforts for getting with the calls, for getting with the calls and clearing with the interviews. At any cost, you have to take care about it. Don't be divert with all other activities because of staying in the Hyderabad location. The people will say like back door, front door, left door, right door. Don't go with all the things. I have been main doors. Don't go with all those things here. If we go with all those things I already mentioned, only 2 months only. Only 2 months I can survive. After 2 months, again he will be back only. Because of that, you have to get with the job by your own. That confidence will be the different. So it may get in a delay, but put all your efforts, take care about the time in the proper way, utilize the things, do the practice, and get the job. Okay. Clear? Okay. And thanks everyone for attending on Sundays also. In general, for other batches, I have not taken the Sunday. Only for your batches, I have been done with Sunday sessions here. Thanks for attending on Sundays also. Take care about the things and they can submit that.